Hey guys, today we are back with another episode of We Go Jinx. It's Yaya and Stan.
That's right.
And today we are doing a
pizza party.
There we go. And so what we're doing is we're going to compare three major chains. So we're doing Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's.
Papa Juan, Papa John.
Yeah. And we'll let you know which one is best. We're doing simple pies. We're just doing small cheese. That's it. Nothing fancy. The basic pizza. Who's the best with the basic? The Domino's, and he's getting the pizza.
Pizza. Who got the best pizza, y'all?
Exactly. The husband with the pie. Oh
right,
yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza. I know. I'm hungry, baby. Let's go. One more. At the final place.
Pizza party. Pizza party.
Papa John's. This is in a terrible place. Back from our run to the three major pizza chains.
Pizza party, pizza party, pizza party time. All right, we got.
Who are we starting with?
Oh, we should start with Domino's first.
Is Domino's? You know what we?
Domino's pizza.
We didn't check beforehand, but I feel like everybody can get access to a Domino's.
Yes.
So this is the plain cheese, and what better way to judge a place than by its standard cheese pie?
Because if they can't do a regular pizza,
right, then they can't do a pizza.
They can't do a pizza.
So mind you, this is the hand tossed.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You see, it's kind of, thickish, but not that thick.
You know, back in the days, pizza.
Domino's was
yeah,
not good.
Domino's pizza was not good back then, and they had to change their ingredients.
I'm hungry.
I am too. Okay.
I mean, it's a good standard slice.
It is.
But
They used to say Domino's pizza tastes like cardboard.
that's why they revamped their recipe, because
Mm-hmm.
they were tired of people making fun of them. So
That's okay.
it's good. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna try just a piece of the crust, because that was a big complaint. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's got like a buttery, garlicky stuff on it or something. Let's see.
So they changed the recipe with that.
It's nice. It's got a good garlicky butter flavor like it's supposed to.
All right. Next up is Papa John's. Papa Juan.
That's right.
Better ingredients, better pizza.
Papa Juan's.
Papa Juan's. So let's go.
So the biggest thing we're going to notice here is that they bring you this garlic butter stuff, if you've never had it. And this is a pepperoncino pepper.
Jalapeno.
Yeah, a little pepper. Because for dipping purposes. Maybe because they know it's not that good.
Here you go. It's softer.
The sauce is sweeter.
The sauce is sweeter.
Way sweeter.
Yes.
It's thinner.
It's thinner, sweeter.
I don't know if I like the sweeter.
It's less garlicky than Domino's.
But that's what this is for, no?
That's true.
Should we use this? Is that a fair judgment? I mean, this is how they brought their pizza.
Let's try it with the garlic.
Garlic butter sauce. Okay. I'm gonna dip the crusty part.
I'm gonna say it's better than Domino's because it's softer, and I like the sauce. Most people probably won't like the sweeter sauce, but I like the sauce.
I give my verdict at the end. I don't know. Domino's is so far. I don't know. I do like this garlic butter stuff.
Oh, let's try the crust. Let's try the crust because you said crust, right? Crust is plain.
It's just plain, but that's it. Again, I suspect that's why they give you this buttery stuff to make it taste really good.
So I'll say this: the Domino's crust is better than Papa John's.
I agree.
I'll say that. All right. All right.
Oh, the price points also were different.
Yeah.
We'll put it on the screen for you guys.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut was actually the cheapest one.
Pizza Hut is the cheapest.
For the small. So we got just a small pie from each location. And to give you an idea. Now, I'm biased. I honestly have thought that Pizza Hut was going to win. Right?
Pizza Hut right here.
So let's see. Cheers finally, because now I'm not as hungry. Really intense sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Did you feel like you got smacked in the mouth with sauce?
Yeah.
Mm.
The cheese is better.
It's much thicker than I remember it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. I don't know if it's whoa better or whoa intense. I feel like it's whoa intense. That's a lot of sauce, guys. The other two did not have this amount of sauce.
Right.
At all. Look at that. I'm so perplexed.
Wow. This is a tough battle. I'm gonna say, for me, Papa John's is 1.
What?
Pizza Hut is 2, and Domino's is 3. But the Domino's crust has more garlic.
The best out of all of them.
Yes. If you're looking for a garlicky tasting pizza, Domino's pizza is what you're looking for. But as far as sauce,
If you like a robust, intense sauce, and your pizza saucy,
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut 1,000%.
I say, yeah.
They're all good for different reasons. But if I'm rating them from best to worst, damn, that's hard. I'm gonna say worst.
We had to do a second taste test with Papa John's. She's still deciding.
Yeah. Because the whole experience with like the buttery garlic and then taking a bite of the pepper, it beats all of them because of, you know, the other elements. But plain pie by itself with nothing, just how they gave it. I'm gonna say,
Drum roll, please.
oh man, Pizza Hut. Okay,
By a slight margin?
No, best to worst,
Best to worst.
Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut.
Domino's kind of gave me like the overall decent slice. Sauce wasn't too sweet. It had a fair amount of cheese. Crust was a little chewier than soft, which I kind of prefer because I like the toasty bottom. And I like that garlicky stuff on the crust.
See, for me, Domino's was too, like you said, it was tougher.
It's a little chewier,
Yes,
yeah.
but the Papa John's
It is
though,
softer.
is softer and
Yeah.
sweeter. So if you want softer and sweeter, go for Papa John's.
Right.
It is.
If you want just the general good slice, go with Domino's. But don't get it twisted. Pizza Hut is really good, but
It's really
for a
good.
totally different reason. The sauce is intense.
Yeah.
But like in a good way.
Yeah.
But if you're not looking for such intenseness and you want more cheese, probably Domino's is going to be your best bet. Yeah. Quite honestly, I prefer the what is it? The not the hand. These are all hand tossed or the regular toss. I like the Brooklyn style or the thinner pie usually.
Right.
So
Little Caesars we couldn't do because they closed down Little Caesars.
they closed down the Little Caesars near
Yeah.
us. So
Yeah. But Little Caesars, if it was in here,
their regular slice.
the regular slice
was okay.
It's okay.
I like their thin crust.
Right.
If you have the opportunity to get Little Caesars thin crust, do that.
So what's the verdict?
Verdict is as we indicated. For me, best to worst, Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut. But they're not. None of them are actually bad. So I'm going to say that. And for you was
Papa John's, Pizza Hut, and then Domino's for me. Yeah, that's what it was.
if you want a whole experience, get the Papa John's.
So what's
the
the common
sauce.
denominator? Papa John's. So Papa John's.
For an overall experience. Yeah.
For overall, Papa John's is the way to go. Sorry, Pizza Hut.
Wow, that's crazy. I used to love Pizza Hut when I was younger. I thought
Right.
it was the creme de la creme of the chains.
Right.
You know? But
So-
really, not anymore.
If there's any more reviews that you want us to do, or any more reactions, any more food tastes, please
Let us
comment
know.
below.
That's
Comment
right.
below. Let us know what you would like to see us eat, react to, and movies, by the way, because we also do movies. Like, comment, subscribe.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate you.